everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about panel schedules in Revit, how we can create a template for panel schedules, and by using that template, how we can create the panel schedules as well. So let's start. First of all, to create a panel schedule, we have to go for Manage tab right here. And inside Manage tab, you'll be able to see in settings, there will be a panel schedule templates. So if I'll click on that one, there will be two options, pop up. The first one is Manage templates. The second one is Edit a template. But definitely we can edit a template inside the Manage template settings as well. So let's click on Manage templates and let's see how many templates we are having. So we are having three kind of templates under template type of branch panel. Let me see. In data panels we are having one. Inside the switchboard we are having one. Okay, right now I'm going for branch panels right now, and let me click on OK. But before than that, right here you can see the default, it's branch panel is default, but I can switch that default uh, from this one to this one by clicking on the Mac default. If I want to edit something inside this particular template, I can do that thing. If I'll select the template, click right here to edit that one, then a new window will be open, and right there you can edit whatsoever you want to edit. So let's wait till then the new window appears, and then we'll see how it looks like. So for example, I want to delete this particular parameter from right here. You can remove the parameter from right here, and you can add a new parameter by clicking on add parameter as well. So I just clicked on add parameter, and there will be different parameters right there that we can add at that particular place. So that is how we can, add, remove, and whatever text you want to edit, you can do that thing as well. So right now I'm not editing anything inside this template. So I'll click on cancel template from right here. And if you want to create a new template again, you can go in manage tab. You can click on this panel schedule, click on manage templates, and you can duplicate this one. So for example, I want to duplicate this branch panel, duplicate this one, and you can give the name, for example, main 01. Click on OK, and you can make this one default as well. If you want to edit something, again you can click on this one, but if you want to delete this one, click on delete this one as well. Okay, right now I'm not editing anything inside this one, and our default template is branch panel. Okay, click on OK, that's fine. Now let's create a panel schedule. So to do that thing, I'll go in analyze tab right here, and inside the analyze tab I'll click on panel schedule right here. So there are different panels inside this particular project. I can select all by clicking on this one. I can unselect all by clicking on this one. But right now in this particular video, we'll be able to create some random one. Okay, so let me create these random one panel schedules. Click on OK. Now the panel schedules will be ready. In a meanwhile, you can see right here, this is my panel schedule. Now if I'll scroll down a bit, let me go for all the panel schedules that we created. Let me check right here in panel schedules in the project browser, and I can see these are all the panel schedules. Okay, let me click on something. So for example, let's go for EL1 right here. And now you can see the branch panel, that is EL1, and all those parameters are properly filled right here. Let me go for SDP. You can see that's how the panel schedules will be ready. Okay, let me go for main one. Yeah, you can see. So it's very simple to create a panel schedule and to create the templates. I guess you are having a better understanding right now. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.